All right, there you go, guys. As you can see, we were challenged to create something similar. So we went with a chicken cordon bleu with a twist. That's right. We're going to have a southern creamy cheese sauce. It's going to make this dish amazing. All right, guys, here are the ingredients. Take a moment to pause it if you need to. Otherwise, this dish is amazing. This is something I know you guys can make. It's very simple. So are you ready? Let's go. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do is start butterflying our chicken breasts. That's right. Basically, just slit them down the center here, as you can see me doing. Do not cut all the way through. You want them to look something like this, just butterflied open. All right, guys, next step is you're going to take your wax paper or parchment paper, lay it down flat. Then you're going to get one of them chicken breasts and lay it down flat on top of it and cover it with another piece. Now for the fun part, a rolling pin, and beat it. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Don't do that because it will splatter everywhere. Just gently bang it out. You want to go ahead and make sure to flatten this out as much as possible so that it is even on all sides. That way there, it makes it cook evenly. As you can see right here, guys, we're going to lift it up. I'm going to show you. Look at that. Even along the edges. Yeah, buddy. All right, just do it. I'm going to repeat the process to all your chicken breasts. All right, once you've done that, you're going to lay your chicken breast flat on a surface, and you're going to cover this with your prosciutto. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Then you're going to come in and cover it with your Gouda cheese. This is smoked Gouda. Absolutely amazing. Follow it up with another slice of prosciutto. Then we're going to season it. This is some pink Himalayan salt. Sprinkle it on there, followed by some freshly ground black pepper. Then you guys are going to come in here with some smoked paprika. That's right. I love that stuff. And then, of course, my favorite, my Tennessee Pride seasoning. Next, you're just going to rotate it and start rolling it. I think it's easier if you roll it away from you, but as you can see in this clip here, I was rolling it towards me. The next one, you'll see me rolling away. Either way, it doesn't matter as long as you roll it up nice and tight. Push this off to the side and do this with every chicken breast. Repeat the process. That's right. Let's show you one more time. We're going to put prosciutto. Most people will use ham instead of this, but I'm using it because it is more of a mature flavor. Same with the cheese. People would use Swiss cheese. I'm using a smoked Gouda because it's absolutely amazing with this dish. And wait till you see what we do later on. All right, guys, once you've seasoned it, you're going to come in. Here's what I was telling you. Rolling it away, you can see it and tuck it in tighter. All right, guys, now that we got these all onto a rack, go ahead and season it. You're going to use the exact same seasonings as you did in the previous step, so just layer it up, guys. That's right. You want this to be amazing. By all means, guys, you can season this however you want. Now that we're ready, you're going to take this and put it into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, you're going to go ahead and add your oil, followed by your butter. Mix it all in. You want to melt this butter because we are going to hit this with our flour. That's right. Come in and add a little at a time, as you see right here, and then just continue to mix. Don't stop mixing. You do not want to burn this. It's going to look icky. It's going to look clumpy. Just keep mixing it. Trust the process, guys. Add little by little. Now, we're going to go ahead and add in our half and half. That's right. Little by little, guys. Just keep stirring it. Once again, you do not want to burn this. Just keep adding in little by little and continue to stir. Keep mixing, guys. Don't stop mixing. That's right. It's going to thicken up as it warms up and starts to cook. You're cooking out that flour flavor right here. Beautiful. Keep stirring, guys. Don't stop. Add a little more. Now, this is the consistency you're looking for. Oh, that's amazing. Now we're going to hit it with our pink Himalayan salt. That's right, guys. Season this generously. That's right. Just dump the rest of it in. We're going to add our Tennessee seasoning pride. You know what? No, we're going to add the rest of it in. That's how good this stuff is. Sprinkle you in some fresh ground black pepper to top it off, followed by some smoked paprika. That's right, guys. This adds that smoky flavor to it. Tastes amazing. Mix it all in, guys. See how thick that is? Yeah, just keep going. Keep going, guys, because now, look at that. Look at that mixture. That is amazing. Be sure to taste it. Yeah, but now we're going to come in and hit this with that beautiful cheese. This was not pictured, guys, but this is some amazing Kentucky bourbon Bellavitano cheese. Oh my God, this just makes the dish that much better. Go ahead, keep stirring it, guys. Incorporate all this until it gets nice and thick. Right here's what you're looking for. This cream sauce is gonna make the dish elevated. Now, we're gonna go ahead and add some more Tennessee seasoning because just tasted it, it wasn't quite right. This stuff right here makes the dish. Keep stirring it in, guys. You want these seasonings to incorporate well. All right, guys, at some point, give it a taste test. Add more if you need to. This is just perfect right here. Yeah, buddy. Now that these were sitting in the fridge, we're going to take them out. We're going to go ahead and start the dredging process. Crack open 3 eggs. One, that was pretty cool. I separated the whites and the yolk in one sweep. I don't know how I did it. Could never do it again, guys. I guarantee you. Go ahead and beat up these eggs. That's right. You want this to be a beautifully mixed batter. All right, guys, take your chicken breasts and roll them around in the flour. Make sure to coat it well. I'm talking about get it in there, sprinkle it on there, just coat it, dab both sides, roll it in that egg mixture. As you see right here, get all the excess off and straight into the panko crumbs. Panko crumbs are so much better than breadcrumbs. They just make it more crispy, but you can use some. It don't matter. You can use breadcrumbs. Hey, you can even use cornflakes. I've tried that in the past, and it works. All right, guys, once you're done with this, you're going to put them on a rack and into the oven for 450 degrees. Listen to this. Golden brown, crunchy. Yeah, buddy. 25-30 minutes or until internal temperature is 165 degrees.
Oh, yeah.
They come out amazing. Plate this up with some carrots, some onions, some radishes, whatever you want. Add that cheese sauce, and, well, yeah, you can see it don't last long, guys. There you go. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, this is a place for simple, fun, delicious recipes with a country twist. Hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to click that like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.